Today we're gonna be testing out the worst reviewed barber machines on the internet. We're gonna see if the machines actually matter or if it's just the barber skill. So let's get started and search for the worst rated tools for barbers. All right, so first up, I'm gonna go on Amazon and look for my clipper. And then on the ratings over here, on the little stars, I'm gonna go 1 star and up. So this is the worst rated clipper that we're gonna buy. And let's go around and read the reviews real quick. The review is a 1 star and it says, "Hi, why is that every time I use it, only lasts 3 minutes?" That is horrible. 3 minutes? No me gustó cómo funcionó. In Spanish, that means he didn't like the way it functioned. Guys, there is a little comment over here before we actually start the video. Realmente salió muy mal, se apagaba cada rato, salió defectuosa. That means that it would turn off all the time and it came defective, so let's check out the video. Dude, she hasn't even started the haircut and it just turns off. That's so trash, bro. And then this other customer commented, after limited use and of course just beyond the return window, the clippers failed to hold a charge. You can't even use them plugged in. That is so bad. I don't even want to order these, but I'm just gonna order another clipper just so that I know that I'm gonna be able to cut a full head. All right, so now I have this rechargeable hair clipper for men, professional fade with barber kit. I'm not gonna read the whole title, but $45. Let's see the ratings. This one has a 3.5 stars, so a little bit higher than the other one, but it has a lot of 1 stars, so let's see what's up. I have never used these clippers as they fail to run. I have charged them twice, but they will not run longer than a few seconds. That's the same thing with the other clippers, so I hope one of them works, dude. Because of the oil that comes with it, it's not refundable. What the fuck? That's what the other one said. I spoke with customer service and there was nothing that could be done. Don't buy. So what they basically say is you can't return it, but if it doesn't work by any chance, just use the oil. If not, you're fucked. So finally, I found the electric foil shavers for men, and this I can't even pronounce, to be honest. The reviews say junk. I don't know what the reviews are about, but did not cut for me at all. Not even facial hair, was very poor. Instead, pulled my facial hair. Returning ASAP. Very flimsy. Broke first day. Hope it doesn't break for me. It does not trim anything and pulls hair off face. Pulls hair from the face. That fucking hurts. I don't know if you guys have ever felt that, but that is not a pleasant feeling. I'm buying for $27 this weird looking shaver. All right, so now I've logged into Wish and I personally have never bought anything from Wish because I feel like it's just not even legit, to be honest. But hey, there's a first time for everything, right? All right, so I found this hair clipper cordless rechargeable groom kit, T-blade, blah, blah, blah. That thing looks hella cheap, but hey, I really hope I get that one. That way I show you guys that you don't need the best tools in order to cut hair. But Demetrius says, I ordered the skeleton taper clippers and I received something totally different than what was advertised. Not only is it different, but it sucks and doesn't cut worth crap. I am very disappointed. He's never coming back to Wish. Trevor says, I plugged this in and it made a spluttering noise. Blue smoke came from it. Blue smoke came from it. It did not work after all that. Very disappointed. Obviously, it's not gonna work after the fucking smoke. I'm buying. All right, guys, so now that we have everything ordered, we're gonna need to test them out in person and see how bad these machines really are. And guys, speaking of quality, that's why I'm excited to have T. Chenley as a sponsor for today's video. Guys, to be honest, in the past, I didn't focus too much on my skincare as much as I do now, and that's because T. Chenley has made the process extremely uncomplicated. Now, seriously speaking, this is absolutely the best skincare system there is for guys like you and me. Now, literally, my favorite part about T. Chenley is that it comes with this instructional guide in here that tells you when you should use each product, how much, and in what order. Like, dude, come on, they make it extremely easy to achieve perfect skin. Now, I recommend you to start with the level 1 system, which comes with all their basics, including a daily face wash to get rid of all the dirt and grime from your skin, a 2 times per week exfoliating cream to get rid of all your dead skin cells, an AM moisturizer with an SPF of 20 to protect your skin from the sun throughout the day, and finally, a PM moisturizer that helps your skin stay hydrated throughout the night. Now, I've been using their products for a while now, and all I can say is I love how refreshing and confident they make me feel. And because T. Chenley is sponsoring today's video, they're giving all my subscribers an amazing deal. So go click the first link down in the description. Not only will you get T. Chenley for the best possible price, but they're also going to be including a free gift for all my subscribers. Guys, do not wait any longer and get started for such an amazing, affordable price. All right, so we just received all of our products from Wish and Amazon, and to be honest, this is not what I ordered. There are some things that I already see that are tweaked up a bit, so yeah, let's get into it. So the first one I'm gonna open up is this shaver right here, and I promise you guys, when I ordered this, I did not know it was a 2-in-1. It's literally a trimmer and a shaver. I personally have never ever seen this, so I'm freaking eager to open this up. 3, 2, 1. What the heck? Okay, it's not that bad of a gold. The trimmer fucking head has guards, bro. So it does come with your charger. Honestly, I wish it was USB-C. That'd be so much better. Why is my finger all filled with oil? Oh, we have the oil over here. Oh, it's halfway through. Did it just spill in here? Oh, it did, bro. All right, and then we have our little cleaning brush, whatever. We have the shaver itself right here. It feels cheap as hell. All right, so honestly speaking, I'm still excited to use this, even if it's just filled the oil on this side. I guess the oil spilled, their packaging is not that great. All right, so now we got our trimmer, and I saw a lot of people complaining on like them getting a different machine, but this is what I ordered, and you're about to see what I received, because if I'm being honest, this is not what I ordered. All right, so it comes with guards, a little sleeve, USB charger again. It's metal, at least. Ugh, I already don't like that. It's at the bottom, and it's just like a little switch, like if you were to be turning on like a little race car, like a remote control race car or something. All right, so now I have the clipper that we ordered. But if I'm being honest, this is not the color I ordered. I chose a maroon one. So if this isn't maroon, that's already like a big no-no. Like if I really wanted maroon, I don't really care what color it is right now, to be honest. But if I was barely getting into the industry, right? And I really wanted the maroon one, get me the maroon one. Like, what the heck? Okay, I got the maroon one. My bad, all that shit talking for nothing. These guards feel super cheap, but hey. Oh my God. This is the reason I ordered 2 clippers, to be honest. Honestly, I'm kind of mad because like I thought it was just the people that were commenting on the reviews and shit like that, but theirs was turning on for like 3 seconds. Mine doesn't even turn on, bro. I was expecting it to at least turn on for 3 seconds, and unless it needs charge. I'm gonna charge it over here. Meanwhile, I open up the other clipper, but I cannot make this up. This is not turning on. Professional hair clipper. It'd be professional if it at least turn on. Shit. All right, so you get like a little comb, some shears, duster, little small duster, and the clipper itself. This is moment of truth, to be honest. Please turn on, please turn on. No, what? This, I'm not capping. Holy, it turned off after like 3 seconds, bro. I'm not gonna be able to fucking record this video, bro. Dude, these machines suck. Oh my God, dude. I am not kidding. This is fucking crazy. I'm not making this up. These machines suck. All right, update. These, complete trash. Don't mind me, I'm just gonna, yeah. These, on the other hand, do actually charge, so I'm gonna be cutting with these. I am really glad they worked, and we'll get onto the video and review them myself. Let's go. Guys, I will be rating each product from 1 to 5 stars. Now let's see how these products performed. All right, so to start this off, the first machine I used was the trimmer, and that wasn't even accurate to the picture on the description, so that was already a big concern. However, I was impressed on how it came zero gapped and actually hit when it came to the lineup and the design towards the back. For an inexpensive trimmer, I'd say it's good, not the best. I personally wouldn't use this on a client, rather just on myself or something like that. The next machine I got to test out was a shaver, and it wasn't bad, but I wouldn't buy it again because of how many times I'd have to go over the stubble just to get it off. That's one thing I can't stand about cheap shavers, or a shaver you haven't replaced the head on in a while. Now the trimmer head I got to test out, but it wasn't even close to being zero gap, so to me it was really pointless. Seriously speaking, I'll give it a 2-star, which is less than what it was rated on Amazon, only because of the fact that they really priced this shaver at like $35, which is a little bit too overpriced for what it is. And finally, for the clippers, the Maroon Clipper, as you guys saw, didn't even give me a chance, so flat -5 stars right off the bat, waste of money. The second one I ordered was honestly the worst clipper I've ever had to use in my entire life. Not to be exaggerating, but the blade was shaky. We ended up finding out that it needed to be charging in order to be functioning, and it would lose power every couple seconds, so I had to turn it off and on. This one is a 1-star for sure. If I've learned anything off this video, is to check ratings because they are pretty accurate, and stick to the quality known names when it comes to barber tools. Guys, thanks for tuning in. If you did enjoy this, please drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. That's been it for me. I'm MartyBlendz, and I'm out. Peace.